Good morning, YouTube family and friends. I wanted you to check out my hot banana peppers and look at how they are growing. I am so proud. Look at that. I was going to cut them off, but I said I want to show them to you first and let you see how they're going. I have some, I can't remember what kind of peppers these are. And I think they are, come on, focus. Oh, they just focus. That's my eyes. I can't remember the kind of peppers that those are, but I have another plant over here that kind of, look at this. Whoa, look at that. Like, I am so proud. I am so proud. Like a happy mother of my garden. I am so proud. Okay, and then another thing I want to show you before I leave is my bell peppers. So I have a couple of bell peppers growing. Let's see if you can get a good look at this. Yes. Look at that. I'm so happy. So, yes, this is my garden on the porch, and that's what I have so far. Let me share with you my Roma tomatoes. They're coming up. Not really sure where my other blossoms have gone, but I'm happy that I have these. So, enjoy if you have a little garden on your porch or in a small space. Enjoy until next time, guys. Remember to love someone, give them a hug, a kiss, and appreciate the small things. You are welcome to subscribe to my channel and click the bell at the top on the right hand side so you can be notified of when I post more videos. Alright, have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. These peppers are going to be hot, I bet you. I love stuffed peppers. They're going to be hot.